Today I was shooting a Hatsan AT44S10 caliber and the Hatsan FlashPup 22 caliber. I was shooting them at 25 yards and really gusty wind. And here's the pellets I was shooting. I was shooting the Sniper Magnums 177 caliber, 14.7 grain. And the Hatsan AT44 and the Hatsan FlashPup, I was shooting the Barracuda Hunter Extremes, 18.52 grain. Okay, so the AT44 got 25.5 foot-pounds of energy at the muzzle, and the FlashPup got 28.5 foot-pounds of energy at the muzzle today. I also shot some lead-free pellets, and I'll show you those in just a little bit. Okay, so here's the pellets I'm using for the lead-free. I was using the H&N Field Target Trophy greens, and they're 9.57 grain. I was using the Vortex 6.48 grain and 177. The Hatsan Vortex, I believe, are made by H&N. Okay, you know, the H&N is a distributor. Hatsan USA is a distributor of H&N pellets in the United States. All right, now I'll show you how everything did. So right here, this was the 22 caliber lead-free pellets. Right here's 5 shots, and over here there's 7 shots. There's 12 shots in the magazine. Not too great. Let's see. Okay. Right here is the group with the 177 caliber lead-free. That is pretty darn good. It's about a 1-inch group. Okay. So it's 1 inch from the center to the outside. It's just under that, center to center, about 3/4 of an inch, 7/8, about 7/8 group. So not too shabby. And then over here, right down here is 5 shots with the AT44, and here's 5 shots with the FlashPup. Okay. And that's with the Barracuda Hunter Extremes here, and this is with the Sniper Magnums right here. Both H&N pellets. Not too shabby. Here's with the AT44 again. So it did pretty good. Alright, so that's 25 yards on a very windy day. It's still windy. You can kind of see right there. So, not too shabby. I like shooting in the wind. If I can get a pellet to shoot good in the wind, that means I can use it for other things besides target shooting.